Okay, welcome from Gungalia Travel Product and Reviews. This is the Telesin Camera Suction Cup bracket. Buy it in Australia for about $30. Comes with a connector for fast action camera like the GoPro, or also connections for your phones. Comes with cleaning wipes, comes with instructions, and there's the main unit, which is fully adaptable as well. There's the removable device. It also mentions please read before the instructions. Please only use on a smooth, flat, regular surface. The suction removal is here. The instructions are all here. And looking forward to trialling that today with our GoPro 11 or 12. So quite easy to use. Okay, that's it from Gungalia